guys, welcome to Wedding in a Pinch. You're probably wondering, what are we looking at and what are we doing today? Today we're going to do a simple but easy centerpiece for our reception tables. What I did was I took the bamboo rings. I took two of them. See, look, one, two. And I took some cardboard, glued on the bottom, and then I glued the two rings together. And then that's going to be laying on your table. And then I glued the foam already in a kind of different pieces. You can use flower foam or the foam block. You can get those either from Dollar Tree or Dollar General if you're on a tight budget. Cardboard. With all our Amazon packages we have coming through the mail nowadays, cardboard's everywhere, you guys. Cardboard is just there. And to cover up that little rim of cardboard, I'm going to take some ribbon and just glue it around. I didn't want to do this piece without you guys. You know what? I'm not even going to glue it around. I'm just going to leave it alone because you guys can paint the bamboo wood. You guys can stain it. You guys can even leave it natural. Stain it, paint it, because when it's on your table, it's not going to move. It gives it a structure. Now, I just got three bunches of flowers from my local Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to stick them into the foam. I'm just going to glue them in. See how I got it kind of angled? So I'm just going to angle it in. And all I'm doing is popping off the tops. And that's why I just put the foam in there. Just so we can get some type of supports. But we don't need to do it all the way around with the flowers. Yes, I got the glue gun again. It's just simpler for the video, you guys. How's everybody doing? I hope wedding planning is going good. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, night, whatever time you guys are watching this. Now you guys will hear a package. And that is because I am popping open a candle. You like actually a candle? Yes, a candle. Sorry about the blackness real quick, guys. My finger touched the screen a little bit. And it's just one of those emergency lights that I showed in my home. All I want to do is make sure I have a placement for it. There goes some. And I'm using a total of 4 in this one. I might not even just do it. Kind of press it in. Try and get the dent. So I'm just using 4. I'm just making a little imprint. I have a white flower, so I'm going to use that right here. You guys can make this any way, shape, or form you guys like. I'm just giving you guys ideas. Make sure you guys are matching up your wedding colors. And I'm just pulling the heads off of them. Remember, guys, start doing your crafting a little bit earlier if you can. Like I mentioned in my first video, if you have to do a food party to get assistance, do a food party. You know people come for food. So, if that's what we got to do to get some assistance, that's what we got to do to get some assistance. Tell them they can, you provide the food, they got to provide their own booze. That's just as simple as that. Yes, this one might be a little bit down. Nope, there we go. Take you guys time when you guys are doing this. Make sure it's nice and neat. There's only one bunch. I'm on the second one. Another thing I'm doing is stabbing into my foam, putting glue, and stabbing. You want to make sure you're not gluing the flower petals together. You're probably like, Ash, we got a gap. Not for long. I said this takes about 2 to 3 bunches of flowers per one. So it all depends on how full you guys want it. You want to leave a little spot for your candles are going to be at, which are in the middle. The only thing I'm doing is just gluing and placing. Oh, that one came apart on me. Dang it, Dollar Tree. Why your flowers gotta be so cheap some days? Now I'm just grabbing this one, gluing it. Yes, you guys will see different shades of flowers today. Ashley just got flowers laying all over the place. There we go. My camera was going to sleep on me, you guys. It said no sleep camera. You guys can make this ahead of time and put it up. That way you guys don't have to worry about them. I said if you're going to do them ahead of time, wrap them in some plastic so the flowers don't get dusty. And label them, okay? Label them centerpieces and label them what table they go. Now, you just put your candles in. And what I'm going to do is, if I can find my scissors, cut a little bit of it away so they can sit. Again, nobody's going to see that little debris, but you can shake it out, which I'm about to do. Shake it out. That way, they have room to sit. Once you get all 4 of them in there, they won't be so wobbly. Sorry about the sneezing, guys. It's the foam, I promise. It's the foam. Again, it's just the emergency candles that I'm using for this. And you will need a pack of AAA batteries. What I'm doing is singing them in. Kind of like that. You can even tie these together before you put them in if you want. Ooh. Which I'm going to do, I'm just going to tie the bottom with a little bit of ribbon. And if you guys trying to figure out actually where the battery goes, there's a little twist cap at the bottom that the batteries can go in. And all I'm doing right now, guys, is tying my ribbon around my little candle holders. As you see, that's where the batteries go. Right there. And you just place it in there. Make sure the ribbon's hidden. There you go. You got a centerpiece. If you don't want to do the 4 candles, I got a Dollar General candle that is actually LED, and you can sit that in there. So let's see, you got the bamboo, cardboard, flowers, candle, centerpiece. All done, all on a dime, all looking nice, and saving that wedding budget, okay? Hope you guys stay blessed, stay loved, love your partner, like, subscribe, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial today.